you want to furnish your house both inside and out, but at the fraction of the cost, well, you could do so if you just come to Northeast Factory Direct. That's where I'm at with their owner, Alex Nemeth. Alex, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
All right, how'd you start this business?
You know, I started the business literally down the street out of my roommate's garage with one high-end formal dining room set. And that was about 13 years ago.
And now you've moved to a much bigger garage.
Yeah, it's just a bigger garage.
Nothing fancy here.
No.
All right, and you have everything. You've got hot tubs, couches, bar stools, obviously. You mentioned dining sets, both casual and the upper line. I mean, there isn't anything in this place that you can't go into a home.
Yeah, not to mention we have hot tubs, we have recliners, we have theater seating, sectionals. You're absolutely right.
And we're not talking about savings of $100 or $200, Alex. We're talking of thousands of dollars savings.
Yeah, it's ridiculous what you can save here.
Give us an example or a couple of examples of what people can save.
For example, on our kitchen cabinets,
okay.
we had a couple come in here. Their quote from one of the big box stores was like $13,000 just for cabinets. I think they got even nicer cabinets here for about $3,500. You can get a 10-piece cherry slate bedroom set with a pillow top mattress we're running right now, complete, for like $1,600. Normally it'd cost you like $5,000. You could get a hot tub, a 6-person hot tub here, that $6,000, $7,000, $8,000 at one of the fancier stores here for $3,900.
Wow, I asked for examples. You definitely gave it. No warehouse fees. It's really simple. West 140th and East Lake, they have everything here. Their warehouse isn't pretty, but their furniture sure is. Alex Nemeth, thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.